Lawnmower detective, this is dispatch. Lawnmower detective, this is dispatch. Can you wake up, please?
Go ahead, dispatch. What in the world do you want? Don't you know it's donut time?
We received a call about a subject in the area of the donut shop that has supposedly been abusing a lawnmower.
Dispatch, can you be more specific?
Look, that's all the info the caller gave us.
Okay, I'll go check it out.
The caller also stated that the subject was yelling something about his daddy rabbit and being too sexy for his overalls.
Yes, sir. Hey, Henry, listen, man, I gotta go. I got a law dog pulled up on my tail back here. He got the blue lights flashing. Let me see what he needs. Yes, sir. I got the donuts. All right, Godfather. Thank you. Well, hello, Ossifer. What can I do for you?
Sir, I'm the lawnmower detective. Do you know why I stopped you today?
No, sir, I ain't got no idea why you be stopping me. Maybe you got a thing for good-looking fellers in overalls. I don't know.
Sir, I assure you that's not the case, but we got a call about someone matching your description that's been abusing lawnmowers in the area.
Abusing lawnmowers? Good gravy. Boy, you got any idea who the devil you talking to?
Is this your mower, sir?
Why, yes. Those are my doggone lawnmower. I'm taking it to the shop. I'm going to fix it up, clean it up, and I'm going to flip it. Make me a little folding cabinet, stick it in my pocket. You ain't going to know nothing about it. Asking all these questions.
Sir, do you have any identification on you?
ID? Well, heck yeah, I got ID. Don't you see this here hat? That's Rooster's hat, and it's on Rooster's head. I got ID. Here, there's you some doggone ID. Right there. Now, you go run that.
Sir, do you have a receipt for this lawnmower?
A receipt? A receipt for a doggone used lawnmower? No, I ain't got no doggone receipt. I got the lawnmower. It's in my possession. It's my lawnmower.
Okay, sir. Just sit tight. I'm going to go run your ID to make sure you're not some kind of crazy ex-murderer. I'll be right back. Okay, sir. You come back clear, but there's still the issue of the lawnmower abuse complaint.
Oh boy, listen here, Daddy Rabbit. I don't know nothing about all that. Whoever told you that done lost their ever-loving mind. But there ought to be some way we can work this out. You know, we can just kind of go on our separate ways. What do you think?
Well, I did notice those donuts on your front seat.
Boy, oh boy, it's right here. These are some special donuts, son. I'm gonna tell you what, you probably ain't never had no donut quite like this. They made special just for me. They still warm.
Are you trying to bribe an officer of the law?
Well, heck yeah, I'm trying to bribe you. What do you say? We work something out?
Well, that might work on some people, mister, but there ain't enough donuts in the world to buy me off.
Do what? Brother, it look like you've been bought with a donut a time or two already.
Sir, I couldn't help but notice that your eyes are just a little glazed over. Have you been consuming any of those donuts this morning?
Well, I don't know where that's really any of your business. I might have had one or two. I wasn't driving at the time.
Well, I'm going to give you a warning for eating donuts and driving. We wouldn't want you to get distracted and have an accident on the way home now, would we?
Warn me? Lord, I know how many donuts I can handle. What we gonna do? You gonna take a dog? You gonna take one of these doggone donuts or not?
You can keep your donuts this time, Mr. Rooster. Also remember to service your lawnmowers on a regular basis. And don't forget, it's donut time.
Oh, you've been watching The Lawnmower Detective, and it's donut time.